Hello and welcome to Sort of Search classes again. We move to question 31. This is about 5 sentences that's given, and 4 of them can be rearranged into a coherent sequence, and we have to find the odd one out. So let's look at the sentences. The first one says, Socrates told us that the unexamined life is not worth living, and that to know thyself is the path to true wisdom. The second sentence says, it. What is it? It suggests that you should adopt an ancient rhetorical method favored by the likes of Julius Caesar and known as Iliaism, or speaking about yourself in the third person. The third sentence says, research has shown that people who are prone to rumination also often suffer from impaired decision making under pressure and are at a substantially increased risk of depression. Sentence 4 says, simple rumination, the process of churning your concerns around your head, is not the way to achieve self-realization. And sentence 5 says, the idea is that this small change in perspective can clear your emotional fog, allowing you to see past your biases. So clearly in sentence 5, this small change that is being referred to is the change that sentence 2 is talking about. The change is you should adopt an ancient rhetorical method. So this is the change that sentence 5 is referring to. So 2 and 5 are related. 5 will come after 2. Sentence 3 says, research has shown that people who are prone to rumination also suffer from impaired decision making. So the term rumination is introduced in sentence 4. So these 2 sentences are related. So therefore, 4 is the first sentence which introduces the term rumination. Sentence 3 is elaborating on the concept of the term rumination and talking about research around rumination. And sentence 2 is talking about it is the research itself. So sentence 2 is connected to sentence 3 and will follow sentence 3. And sentence 5 is talking about this small change, which is the change that is referred to in sentence 2, that you should adopt an ancient rhetorical method. So 4, 3, 2 and 5 are clearly forming a coherent sequence, and we don't find 1 fitting in anywhere in that. So 1 is the odd one out.